There is something so exciting coming this year.
It's the return of the Trebuchet.
3, 2, 1.
Merlin Entertainment has spent over £500,000 building this brand new siege machine.
So the brand new show, The Legends of the Trebuchet, is open from the 1st of April until the 5th of November. And we're lucky enough to have a sneak peek of the show and get to see that 22-ton machine in action.
But before we go and see the Trebuchet show, it's time to go explore the rest of the castle.
Afternoon! Afternoon! Right, so we've been to Warwick Castle now probably about like a billion times, right?
A million times,
right.
Yeah.
And we always come around to the Kingmaker, which is there, and never realised that the actual dungeons, what's it called? Gaol?
Jail?
It's like goal but backwards. And we're going to head in now because we've never actually done it before. How did we not know this was here?
I have no idea. But we saw it on a map that we've been sent, so we were like, what is this? We must explore.
But you need to duck there, mate.
Alright, it's cramped.
Ollie's a bit scared of this. This is literally where they would have kept the prisoners. And there's inscriptions on the wall and they were housed in like this for years. A bit more gruesome than you thought. They locked him in by the ankles.
Oh, wow!
So what's down here?
They're open, I'm guessing this is their toilet. There's just one open gully and one air vent. And it says, judging by the inscriptions on the walls,
yeah,
prisoners were kept in this condition for years.
What do we think of that?
Too scary.
Oh, it's too scary.
It was pretty gruesome down there, wasn't it?
It reminded me of the Tower of London.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was pretty cool. Considering we've never seen that before,
No.
how have we missed it?
I'm wondering. The sign looks maybe new.
I don't think it is.
I don't know.
I just think we missed it. I just think we
yeah.
missed it.
We're always that focused on going and seeing the Kingmaker.
Yeah.
That we must just not look.
Definitely worth a visit down there,
What
though.
if the people come up and lock in that gate?
So we have just been informed that this is the first day of 2023 of the Falconers quest. And here it goes.
One day, a young lad arrived at the castle. He was called Hobby, and he was the son of a local fisherman. Hobby was presented to me, and he told me that since he was a child, he had watched in awe as my falconers had reared and trained my birds. How he loved to see the birds of Warwick fly majestically over the castle, and how heartbroken he was when so many did not return from war.
I will go on a quest to bring to Warwick a collection of birds that will be the envy of a king. I wish to stand as your master falconer and see the skies above the castle full of birds of prey.
First Falconers quest of the season.
That was so cool.
It's always good to
The
come
birds
here.
didn't play ball.
No,
They
they
were
didn't.
naughty,
You can
didn't
tell
they?
it was like, it's the first time, we'll give them a bit of, a bit of slack on it.
Yeah, and no finale.
Yeah.
But we will be back to see the full show because it is the best show ever.
Yeah, it was an adapted version with it being a press day today, but still though, just to be able to see the birds, it's so good. And it's just reached the point of the day to see the legend of the Trebuchet, and I didn't mean to rhyme, but that just seemed to be what happened. Let's go. No better way to throw ourselves into the 2023 season than start with a Trebuchet. You like that one, didn't you?
That was so bad.
You're welcome. Just been informed that the joke would be better if I said launch, so I'm apologising. There's no better way to launch ourselves into it. You get what I mean. We are now seated, ready for the Legend of the Trebuchet.
So excited.
Yeah, for anyone who wants to know where you are sitting, you are across the lake, so don't worry, you're not going to get hit by it. It's basically where the Falconer's Quest is, just to the left-hand side of it. Yeah. But it's starting to warm up now.
Yeah.
Everyone's getting ready. There's smoke, there's music, atmospheric.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really
the
excited.
smoke isn't music.
No, the smoke's not music, mate. There's smoke and the music. There's not music about the smoke. Or smoke about the music.
No, we thought you said that the smoke is music.
Alright. Legend of the Trebuchet is a fable about Warwick Castle being under siege from the Yorkists.
Under cannon fire, Sam and her ragtag group are tasked with saving Warwick by preparing and firing the Trebuchet against the oncoming attack.
Now, some may say my story is a myth, a fable, a falsehood, but I say to you, the story that you are about to see is a legend. My friends, I give you the legend of the Trebuchet! 3, 2, 1, fire! Did it work? Wow, part of that story. You have been a part of the legend of the
Warwick do amazing events, don't they?
They do.
They really do. So like the calibre of what you expect here is good. You've got the Wars of the Roses, you've got the Falconers Quest,
Dragon Slayer.
and Dragon Slayer. They just do amazing
Such good
shows. So don't sleep on Warwick Castle. Make sure you come here this year. It is well worth a visit, and that is just another excellent addition to this place.
Yeah, I want to come back and see it again.
Yeah, it's cool. So if you want to have a look at Wars of the Roses and you want to take a look at Falconers Quest, we've got plenty of videos here from Warwick Castle down in the playlist down below, which features this channel that you're on at the moment, The Next Adventure, and our other channel, which is the Kershaw's Adventures. So you get to see it from both channels. Go and check out the playlist below. I want to say a massive thank you to Warwick Castle for inviting us out here today to experience the legend of the Trebuchet.
It's been a really good day.
And until next time,
We'll see you on the next adventure.
catch you later.
Bye.